Hello everyone. On September 16, throughout the world, it is observed as World Ozone Day. And theme for World Ozone Day in 2020 is Ozone for Life. So let us understand some facts about ozone. World Ozone Day is observed on 16 September is just to raise awareness about the importance of ozone layer. So, what is ozone layer? First of all, ozone layer was discovered by Professor Gordon Dobson of Oxford University in 1957. Ozone layer protects Earth from UV rays which are radiated from the sun. Ozone, chemically it is O3 and which is present around 15 to 35 km above the Earth or stratosphere. Ozone naturally formed through interaction of solar ultraviolet radiation with molecular oxygen, that is O2. So ozone is formed by reaction of UV radiation with O2 molecule, and that is O3. And it acts as a filter, or the layer protects Earth from the ultraviolet radiation. So ultraviolet radiation, while coming to the Earth, they are getting filtered through the ozone layer. What are the reasons for depletion in ozone layer? Ozone layer is depleted because of some human activity and some chemicals like chlorine and bromine. Some chemicals are also known as ozone depleting substances or ODS. What they do? These chemicals breaks down hundreds or thousand molecules of ozone. So O3 molecules are broken down, and that's why there is a hole in a ozone layer. Some examples are chlorofluorocarbons or hydrochlorofluorocarbons. What are the effects of ozone layer depletion or adverse effects of ozone layer depletion? They adversely affect the environment and they also alters the life cycle of the plants, and which leads to the disruption in food chains. They also cause global warming because more amount of ultraviolet radiation is coming to the earth because of the depletion in ozone layer, and because of global warming there are the climate changes. What are the effects on humans and animals? They cause sunburn, suntan, and sometimes because of excessive ultraviolet radiation they cause cancer. They also damage the immune system. They cause burning of the eyes, or the condition which is known as snow blindness. What can be done to prevent the ozone layer depletion? Avoid using the compounds or chemicals which cause depletion in the ozone layer, like avoid using chlorofluorocarbons. Find out the substitutions for this kind of substances. Chlorofluorocarbons are used in hairsprays, cosmetics, aerosols, and in some plastic container. Plant more trees. Use environment-friendly fertilizers. Use eco-friendly modes of communication. Try to prevent or avoid air pollution. So these are the ways to prevent ozone layer depletion. So this was about ozone in brief. Thank you.